Hello, I'm Kathy, and I'd love to invite you to join our YtL EFT tapping support group. We meet online for an hour of community support once a month on a Wednesday, the first Wednesday of the month, and you can join wherever you are on your cancer journey. All are welcome, and we usually have a small group of around 4 to 8 participants. I want you to know that this is a safe and supportive space where we gently explore what's alive in your thoughts, your emotions, and your physical body in the moment using EFT tapping. There are going to be no long cancer stories, but this is an opportunity for both group and individual support, and people often leave feeling calmer, more settled, lighter, and deeply supported. We'd love to welcome you. Please do join us.